my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can achieve this Cousin Eddie gender bent inspired makeup look. This look is honestly just more for fun because, let's be honest, the makeup is pretty basic makeup. However, this is part of my 12 Days of SFX-mas series, and if you're new and you don't know what that is, for 12 days in the month of December, I'm uploading a new Christmas-themed makeup tutorial to celebrate the holidays. So like I said, there's not really much special effects in this look, for example. However, I feel like there is a lot of special effects embedded in both the hat and my little toilet flushing prop. Overall, this is just a really fun Christmas party makeup idea, I think. So if you are curious on how I turned myself into this gender bent Cousin Eddie, then just keep watching. Hey Spoops, so to get started, I'm going to be taking my Fenty Skin Sunscreen and applying this all over my face to help moisturize it before going into my Buckle Bunny Beauty Fringe Benefit Primer and applying this over my face as well. I am then going to be taking my Becca Cosmetics Under Eye Highlighter and applying this under my eyes to help brighten it before going into my Milani Supercharged Concealer in the color 120 Peach and applying this under my eyes as well to help brighten and alleviate the dark circles. Next, I'm going to be taking my MAC Cosmetics Strobe Cream and I'm going to be applying this to my cheekbones to help give my face a little bit more of a luminous glow before going into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation in the color 220N, and I'm going to be applying that all over my face using my IT Cosmetics Airbrush Blurring Foundation Brush. Next, I'm going to be taking my Buckle Bunny Beauty Cream to Powder Foundation in the color Mocha, and I'm going to be applying this to the areas that I would like to contour. So this is going to be my cheekbones, my forehead, and my jawline before making sure to blend that out and moving on to highlighting our face with concealer. So I'm going to be taking my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the color Light Peach. So I'm going to be applying that to my forehead and under my eyes before once again making sure to go ahead and blend that out. I'm then going to be setting my face with my Airspun Translucent Powder, so I'm going to be applying this under my eyes and to my forehead before moving on to contour, where I'm going to be taking my KVD Beauty Shade and Light Contour Palette, taking this shade and applying this to the areas that we applied the cream contour from earlier. Not only is this going to help set the cream contour, but it's also going to help add a little bit more definition as well. I'm then going to be taking the banana color from the palette and I'm going to be using this to highlight under my eyes and my forehead before moving on to bronzing my face with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. For my blush, I'm going to be taking my ColourPop Disney Designer Court of Miracles blush and applying that to the apples of my cheeks and blending that up my cheekbones, while also applying my Revlon Prismatic Highlighter to my cheekbones as well. For my eyes, I'm going to be priming them with my Smashbox 24-Hour Photo Finish Primer before going into my Ulta Beauty Everyday Faves eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be taking this color right here and I'm going to be using this to apply in the outer corner of my eyes and in the crease and also bring that down to my lower lash line. I'm then going to be taking this darker auburn color and I'm going to be doing the same thing by applying this to the outer corner of my eye and softly blending this into the crease before making sure to blend this down to my lower lash line. Next, I'm going to be taking this middle shimmer color and I'm going to be applying this to the inner corner of my eyes and softly blend it to the center of my eyelid before taking this matte cream color and applying this to my brow bone before finally using a blending brush to blend these looks together. I'm then going to be taking my KVD Beauty Tattoo Liner in Mad Max Brown and creating a simple winged eyeliner before going in and taking my Be Perfect Carnival 3 palette, and I'm going to be taking Forest, and we're actually going to be making this an emerald green eyeliner. I didn't happen to have an emerald green liner on hand, so you can use eyeshadow for this and it turns out really nice. Next, I'm going to be going into my ColourPop Lippy Pencil in Curve 2, and I'm going to be going ahead and outlining my lips before going into my ColourPop Animal Crossing Peach Surprise Lip Crayon and filling in my lips. I'm then going to be topping that off with my Fenty Beauty Lip Balm in Cocoa Drizzle before moving on to going back into my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I'm actually going to be using this to create a little bit more of a bronzer blush, so I'm going to be swiping this across my cheeks. Next, I'm going to be prepping my eyelashes by curling them before going into my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and sweeping this through my upper and my lower eyelashes. For my false eyelashes, I'm going to be taking my Tarte Tartiest lashes in the style Wifey and applying this to my upper lash line before setting my face with my One Size Beauty On Till Dawn setting spray. And that is my completed Cousin Eddie inspired makeup look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Christmas Vacation is one of my favorite movies, so it was really fun to just dress up and pay tribute to this movie. So once again, thank you all so much for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my videos. And with all that being said, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!